In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collection carousel slider to your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to visually organize and highlight your collections, thereby making it easier for your customers to browse through your offerings. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll need to navigate to the site editor within your Shopify dashboard. The site editor is an essential tool that allows you to customize your store's appearance and layout to your liking. Once you're entrenched in the site editor, you'll see a variety of options to modify different aspects of your store. What we'll be doing today is adding a section, so go ahead and click on Add Section. This step prepares the ground for seamlessly incorporating new features into your store's existing structure. After clicking Add Section, you'll be met with a search bar that allows you to find the specific feature you're looking to add. Go ahead and type in Collection List, Carousel into that search bar. This is a special feature designed to elegantly showcase your store's collections in a carousel format, making navigation not only easy for your customers, but also visually appealing. Once it appears in the list of available options, select it to place it on your site. The carousel slider will now become part of your web page, ready to be customized to suit your needs. With the carousel now placed in your store, the next step is to fine-tune it to display exactly what you want. Click on the newly added carousel, and you'll see its properties and customization settings appear on the right panel of your screen. This panel is your gateway to tweaking various features, from choosing which collections to highlight to defining the aesthetic appeal of your slider. Among the properties, you'll find an option labeled Collections. This is where we will specify which collection you wish to feature in your carousel. Click on Select next to the Collections option. From here, you are prompted to choose from the existing collections within your store. This selection process allows you to pick any products or themes you want to highlight, whether it's a seasonal sale or a new line of products that just arrived. Select the collection that best fits your current focus or marketing strategy. And just like that, you've successfully added and customized a collection carousel slider on your Shopify store. This small enhancement can make a huge difference in how your store visitors engage with your products. Not only does it streamline the browsing experience, but it also draws more attention to specific collections you wish to highlight. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that your newly added carousel slider contributes to an enhanced shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching.